Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel Beauty Secret by Samira. Today I'm going to share with you a toner review from Pixi. Watch on for more details. Pixi Glow Tonic Exfoliating Toner. I hope this video is helpful to all, so don't forget to subscribe, like, comments and share with family and friends. Now let's get started. First of all, I'm saying that how is the packaging? The toner comes in a small orange plastic bottle with the signature mint green and gold rose label of Pixi Beauty. So the toner texture and scent. The toner has a rose-like scent, kind of like a rose perfume, and the toner fragrance is very refreshing and pleasant, and the toner texture is water-like consistency. So the consistency is perfect for our skin. And the toner is very effective for our skin. The toner is alcohol free and paraben free, and this toner makes the skin more smoother and refines pores, brightens the skin and even skin tone, and hydrating and doesn't make the skin dry. So if you have dehydrated skin, this toner is perfect for you, and the toner is very effective for our dehydrated skin, and this toner is very useful for all skin types like dry, normal, combination or oily. But this toner effectively works on dehydrated skin, and the toner is very useful for our skin. This toner is not tested on animals and balance heals and soothes for radiant, healthier looking skin, gently accelerates cell renewal to reveal a brighter glowing complexion, and exfoliates and purifies the skin with glycolic acid. Ginseng improves circulation and energizes. So the product is very useful for our skin, and it removes skin dead cells and healthier looking skin. This toner contains glycolic acid 5%. This is the main ingredient that helps the toner works its magic. And glycolic acid is a water-soluble alpha hydroxy acid. It has the smallest molecular weight, a property which helps it penetrate the skin more easily but also makes it more potentially irritating. It is a chemical exfoliant that exfoliates the surface of the skin and may reduce scarring, wrinkles and hyperpigmentation. And the product contains glycerin, a natural emollient that provides hydration to the skin and softens the skin. And the ingredient is Panax ginseng root extract, and an antioxidant that may also help to lighten skin hyperpigmentation, and uses this urea, a non-pH dependent powerful exfoliating agent that sloughs off dead skin. So the product is very useful for our skin. If you like an high quality exfoliating toner, this toner is perfect for you, and this toner does not leave the skin oily. So now I'm saying that how to use this product. Use AM or PM as needed, and with a cotton pad with the tonic, and sweep across face, neck, and after cleansing, avoiding your eye area. And this toner is very effective of our skin. So if you like this toner, you can use this regularly. And the toner, do not use this twice a day if you are new to acid toners. And don't use cotton pads or toner pads, they will waste the product more. Just use a teeny amount on your palm and spread it on your face. And the toner is very effective of our skin. So I hope this video is helpful to all. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comments and share with family and friends.